We already know that the equation of a line equals y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line, x is the x input, and y is the y output. Y is on the vertical axis, and x is on the horizontal axis, and b represents that intercept. So in order to get that equation of where that vertical point is, the y, you need to multiply the slope by that x input and then add in this b parameter. There are multiple other forms of graphs, like for example, if you have a graph that is like this, then that would be y equals x cubed. You could also have a graph that looks like this, a parabolic graph, and that is y equals x to the second power. And so, yes, this point and this point both go through the origin of the graph, that 0, 0 point. What if you want to take this graph and you want to move it up by 3 and to the left by 8? How would you do that? So in order to move it up or down, that's called a vertical shift. So to take that parabolic equation and move that so that it is up by 3, all you do is take the original portion of the equation and then you add 3. Very simple. Similarly, if you wanted it to go down by 5, you would have just taken y equals x squared minus 5. Now, but that wasn't part of the equation. The next thing you want to do is do a shift that is a horizontal shift. How do you shift it to the left by 8? You start off with your equation. So now but we need the parentheses because we're going to do a horizontal shift. And we still have that because it shifted up by 3. But now to move it to the left, we have to add. If you want to move to the left, if you want to move to the right, you have to subtract. If you want to move to the left, you have to add. And that's how you do a horizontal shift.